Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the waste management. The waste are the material which are discarded after the use at the end of their intended lifespan. Waste management is a collective activity involving segregation, collection, transportation, reprocessing, recycling, disposal of various types of waste. Waste management differs for the different types of waste and for waste in different geographical location such as urban, rural and hilly areas. Types of waste, solid waste are solid waste, liquid waste, gaseous waste, animal byproducts, biodegradable waste, chemical waste, commercial waste or business waste, biomedical waste and bulky waste. Now we are going to discuss about the solid waste management. A solid waste in generally can be defined as a material which has negligible value to the producer and there no direct consumption of the generated waste. It is generated due to various activity that can be residual, commercial, agriculture, industrial, etc. Whatever the origin, content or hazardous potential is, solid waste must be managed systematically to ensure the environmental best practice. Sources of solid waste are municipal solid waste, street sweeping, sewage treatment plant waste, waste from the school and other institution, domestic waste that is garbage, rubbish, paints, paper, glasses, old toys, old clothes, spoiled foods, etc. Commercial waste are from different stores and different offices. Whatever the waste we are going to add, that is polythene bags, papers, like that. Mining, from the coal mining, strip mining, we are going to add the large amount of solid waste into the atmosphere. Agriculture waste like fertilizers, pesticide containers, organic waste, etc. Hospital waste are disposal syringes, swabs, body fluids, bandages, unwanted body parts, like that. Industrial waste are solvents, resins, metals, plastic, rubbers. E-waste waste like wires, circuits, mobile phones and etc. These are all sources of solid waste and different types of solid wastes. And we are going to manage these waste so that they won't create the more pollution in the environment. Effect of solid waste are solid waste changes the properties of soil, air and water causing the pollution. Solid waste produces the foul smell, breeds insects and organisms. Leads to spread of many diseases, infection, etc. affecting the human and animal populations. Harmful chemicals are released into the environment. They will enter into the human body and they may create the adverse effect on human life. For example, mercury, when it is discarded into the atmosphere, when it will mix with the water, then it is converted into methyl mercury, and that methyl mercury is taken by the fish. If that we are going to eat that fish, then that methyl mercury is directly entering into the our body, and we know that methyl mercury is a poisonous compound. Disposal methods of solid waste are, first one is scientific landfill. A landfill site is a site for the disposal of waste material. By burial is the oldest from the waste treatment, where we are going to dump all the solid waste. A landfill site is for the disposal of waste material is burial and the oldest from the waste treatment. And gases generated by the decomposition of waste material are often to burn into the generate the power. Here we are going to scientifically landfilling the waste, and by the decomposition of those waste, whatever the gas is generated, that gas is used for the power generation. And take care of that, this solid waste disposal landfilling must be away from the water sources. Landfill can be done by different methods, that is trench method, area method, ramp method. Next, in the solid waste management, we are going to discuss about the compositing. It is a controlled biological decomposition of organic matter such as a food, yard waste into the humus. Compositing is a natural process of rotting or decomposition of organic matter by the microorganism under controlled condition. They are going to oxidize the waste, and they are going to convert into the composites, and they are going to release the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This process will take place up to 4 to 6 weeks. Benefits of compositing are: provides the nutrient into the soil, increases the beneficial of the soil, organisms protect the soil from the erosion, assists the pollution remediations. So that here we are going to, whatever the waste is there, it is oxidized by the bacteria, so that it will be converted into the useful product. That is what compositing. Next one is recycling. For processing and non-degradable inorganic waste, recycling method is adopted. Recycle, which means reprocessing of the disposed material into new and useful products. Advantage of recycling are: save the energy, conserve the resources. This is how we are going to manage the solid waste. Now we are going to discuss about the e-waste. E-waste is defined as a computer, office electronic equipment, entertainment device, and many other electronic and electrical devices which are unwanted, broken, and they are discarded into the atmosphere or into the environment. That is what called e-waste or electronic waste. The type of electronic waste are: telecommunication waste, that is mobile phone, telephones, telephone exchange wireless equipments, cables, scrap materials, and PC and TVs. Electrical waste materials are switches, relays, connectors, and related scrap material. Electronic waste are electronic metal waste, printed circuit boards, e-equipments, ICs, etc. Cable waste are PVC cables, pre-insulated copper and aluminum cable waste. Disposal methods of e-waste are recycling and material recovery. Recycling, we are going to recycle those material which are disposed into the environment, and we are going to produce the new material so that it can be used. Material recovery, whatever the parts of e-waste we are going to dispose it into environment, in that part we are going to take the useful parts and we are going to use it in the new instrument. That is material recovery. Biomedical waste. The biomedical waste is a waste generated during the diagnosis, testing, treatment for the human or animals. Sources of biomedical waste are hospital, healthcare center, biotechnological institutes, where all these biomedical waste will be generated. In the hospitals are operations byproducts, syringes, bandages, unwanted tablets, syrups. These are all the hospitals wastes. They are discarded into the environment. The effect of biomedical waste are: it may leads into blood-borne diseases. If the biomedical waste containing radioactive waste, then that radioactive waste exposure may causes the headache and vomiting in the humans. control of this biomedical waste are, we have to segregation of hospital waste in the non degradable and degradable waste, like that collection and categorization of waste must be done, and we have to go for the proper treatment of that biomedical waste.